You know, being the head jury of this year's FAMAS is both a blessing and a curse. A blessing because I had a formidable team of intelligent, well-spoken team of jury members who represent various sectors of the society, from the penniless film workers to the rich businessmen, the educators and the undergrad, the senior citizen and the youth, from the religious community and the atheists, those who represent the public service, and those who are enemies of the state. Indeed, FAMAS is different from other award-giving bodies. Urian is composed of film critics. Star Awards is composed of movie press. Film Academy, film workers, Gawad Pasado educators, and others. Not to mention the money-making pseudo-award-giving bodies who give awards to those who can buy the trophies. But FAMAS is well represented. Hence, the winners tonight are chosen by the Filipino people. It is also a curse, ladies and gentlemen, because as a head jury, I am not allowed to vote. I can only moderate, and to vote also if there is a tie. Hence, if you do not like the decision tonight, I hope that you will not take it against me. I am not part of this. You can just block the jury members in Facebook or badmouth them, whatever you want. But as the old practice of Philippine show business, plastikan, I am still your friend after tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, when I won big time in FAMAS, a lot of my showbiz friends blocked me in Facebook. They don't like that I won. And most of them didn't speak to me after that. Those friends who are haligi o talagang magagaling. Sino nga ba naman po ako sa unang pelikula ko na nagwagi sa FAMAS ng historical best picture, best director, best actor para po sa inyong lingkod. But it was the president of FAMAS, Madam Francia Conrado, who opened my eyes when she told me that the experience and the veterans do not hold the monopoly of talent. Talent is not exclusive to the accomplished ones. Similar to what is happening tonight, ladies and gentlemen, all of you, our dear, beloved filmmakers, most especially the ones who just created their film now, we value you because you are the future of Philippine cinema. And we do believe that you have the burning passion and the fervent desire to serve the arts. You are not jaded. You are truly idealistic. And you are hungry for the truth. And needless to say, all of you have a strong will to inspire others and to make a change in their lives. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an inaugural presentation of the FAMAS Short Film Awards. I thank our beloved President and of course REMS Production, headed by Direk Gabby Ramos, for giving these young ones the opportunity to be recognized. Now we will be recognizing not only their talents, but their burning passion and their desire to make a change in our world. Mabuhay po ang FAMAS. Hindi po mamamatay ang pelikulang Pilipino. Tayong mga baguhan at mga neophyte o kung tawagin minsan nila Eman, mga amateur. Eman ha, special mention ka. Porque sikat na sikat yung may rebound girl mo talaga. Talagang kumita yun ng sobra sa takilya. We always believe, ladies and gentlemen, that even if we are new, we have a niche in this world and that we can resuscitate, we can save, we can rescue, and we can revive the Philippine movie industry, and if possible, we can breathe a new life to it. Mabuhay po ang FAMAS.